All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's go ahead and set again. 81, 86 is no man's land. That's going to be, however, it is resistance. We humbly believe that this is a rally in a downtrend. So eventually it's going to recoil. Of course, we have 90 right there as the, but the bulls, right? Their intention on this bounce right here off of 76 is to take it all the way to 802. Remember, they are in control of the short term. That's their objective, is to break this range, right? No man's land 81, 86, test at 90, and then eventually go to 802. However, we have a bias. Oh my God, bias. Yes, we do. All right, we believe that this is actually a rally in a downtrend. We believe it's going to recoil. There's going to be some shenanigans here. Remember, this is a no-news Wednesday. Again, so there's a lot of manipulation, all right? But that's what we believe. But that's for the future, that the price is going back to 77, break it, and it's going to test 64 and continue going all the way to 60. That's what we believe. In the meantime, right, the main play right now for those of us who have been trading since 9 a.m., it's long here, 76. And you already know exactly what it is we expect the market to do. So this is trade what you see. What we believe, which is the future. Remember that we have a prediction addiction here. The prediction is what I just told you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna watch it right here, right? We have a little support here, 70, 72, but remember, confirmation breaking of this low right here, and we all know exactly where it's going. So our short 81, we are expecting the price to do exactly what I said 5 minutes ago. Shenanigan break, shenanigan break, shenanigan break. Our objective is to let it ride all the way to 60 so that we can make 21 points, 60, 70, 81. Remember, not only we need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. That's the most important thing. So if we believe the price is going to continue to 60, it's going to give us 21 points, what the hell are you going to get out here? You want to take some of your position size, then I'm okay with that. Yeah, because there's no guarantee that it's going to go to 60, right? That's what we humbly believe. There's no guarantee. I understand. So, could this be a bounce and the price just, this is the bottom, bounce, spring up, spike, destroy resistance and go to the moon? Of course it could. But that's not what we think is going to happen. But if it does, we are prepared for it. Right? So those of you who are trading the NASDAQ, let it ride all the way to 150. Ladies and gentlemen, 64, right? Beautiful hour 64, right? We've had it here for how long? 2 hours ago. We already knew that it was going to be a bounce of 6. As a matter of fact, the reason this is bouncing is because you are getting out. You are taking profit right there at 64, which I'm okay with it. But we're going to let it ride to 60. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so finally we got our 59 target. It is a target, so it's okay to start looking to counter trend long with the micros. Let's go target 2. Remember, we are in a downtrend. Everything I told you, what, 2 hours ago? All right, so what is target 2? It's going to be target 2, my friends, is going to be, let's see, give me a couple of seconds, just stop break even, right? So we're taking some profits right here, 59, 58, right? Below, yeah. It's going to settle a little bit. But the main play, sure, that just gave us 23, 24 points, that's target 1. We're going target 2. Stop break even, right? Just in case that we have another nasty bounce. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the petrol. All right, petrol release. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to let it ride all the way to 35. It's a range, okay? So give me 5-point range, 35, 40. 35 is the low of the range, target 2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we won 35.40, it's a 5-point range. I know it's gonna be a while, again, just like it took a little bit of time to go to our 60, but I don't play golf, so what do I care? I'm gonna let it ride. So we have 34 going from the recoil, 81 short that we knew it was gonna go to 60, 59 target one. It just went to 46, so we're up 34 points. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to 40. Okay, let's make it 39 for 42 points. Target 2, 42 points. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, testing 41. That's plus 40 points for us. Hey, come on, guys. You're getting out at 39.5? Come on. All right, I'm okay with 39.5. But remember, it's a range. It's a range 35, 39, 4-point range. So, you know. It's a range right there, 35, 39, 4-point range. Well, no, Capi, I'm going to get out here, man. Are you kidding? No. I'm going to take my 42, 43 points, and I'm out of here. I'm okay with that. So, very well, ladies and gentlemen. So, we ended up making 81 points today. I thought we were going to make 100. We ended up making only 81 points. What can I say? Remember, if it's not live, it's not real. If you're gonna follow somebody, if you want the help of a market master that can read the market for real, right? The calling and the reading has to be live, real time, as it's happening. If it's not live, it's not real. It's not complicated.